Its story begins and ends with Mother Earth. It is a true emblem of greenery and prosperity. Every drop of it is pure and precious. It is the source of life, water. It is a true blessing from mankind, from nature, inspiring happiness and development all around. Presenting Krishna Submersible Pumps, a brand that stands for excellence, a synonym for advanced technology and world-class performance, a manifesto of quality, trust and customer satisfaction. Just like water, following the values of purity and transparency, Krishna Submersible Pumps began its journey in year 2000 at Rajkot city, Gujarat. Today, it has become one of the most respected names in submersible pumps industry. Our product portfolio consists of extensive range of submersible pumps that brings immense joy into the lives of our customers. It is the knowledge and leadership of our founders, Mr. Bhavesh Patel, Mr. Mahesh Patel and Mr. Chetan Patel that we are standing at the pinnacle of success today. Our manufacturing unit, equipped with world-class technology, is spread across 25,000 square feet area. Our production capacity is 60,000 pump sets per annum. We have a portfolio of more than 900 products which includes V3 submersible pumps, V4 submersible pumps, V5 submersible pumps, V6 submersible pumps, open well submersible pumps, vertical open well submersible pumps. Our thoughtfully planned manufacturing process involves various stages. First stage is rotor manufacturing, which begins with raw material bar cutting, followed by rough machining, rotor filling, brazing, CNC machining, keyway, grinding, burnishing, balancing, rotor coating and color coating. The second stage is stator manufacturing, which comprises of piping, stator sleeve and stamping assembly. Machining of CNG. Buffing, winding, here every motor is checked on high voltage test and meager test, after which the next process begins, motor fitting. Then comes the process of pump fitting, where latest technology is used. Our product is checked for various quality parameters like high voltage and meager test, no load test and full load test on automatic testing panel. Superior quality is our true brand identification. We very precisely apply color, brand and marking on our products. All the raw materials used are tested in NABL approved laboratory to match the international benchmarks of quality. Our in-house quality control department conducts hardness test, air gauge, depth gauge, bore gauge and many other quality checks. After the successful testing, the approved products goes for packaging and dispatch. Our research and development team is constantly in search of innovative ways to make our product even better. Every employee of ours works with absolute honesty and hard work to contribute to company's success. Marching on the path of offering quality products and winning the trust of our customers is our utmost goal. And as an outcome, we have acquired ISO 9001-2015 certification along with ISI, star rating and CE marking. We have a widespread network of dealers across India, as well as we export our products to various countries worldwide. Krishna Pumps. We reach for success following the right values. We achieve milestones with passion and dedication. We go beyond horizon and progress with innovation. 2 decades of experience, superior quality and outstanding service. Krishna Submersible Pumps.